on there with some of that wonderful jam. Oh, come on. Oh, that is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing my favourite all-time jam. Passion fruit and mango. Passion fruit and mango jam, a little bit of lemon, bit of salt, pectin, sugar. Throw it all together. Done. Okay, straightforward. We got passion fruit. I'll show you a couple and then I will carry on, and then we'll carry on after. So the passion fruit, cut straight through the skin. Reveal the fruit. Fabulous. Take a spoon and scoop out. Let's just get a bowl. Scoop out the flesh, the seeds. Oh, what a fabulous smell. What a fabulous smell. Okay, we're just going to carry on and do our passion fruit until we've got enough. So it's nice and steady. Cut in half, scoop out. We want all the flesh. Easy as that. And while you're going along the way, you might as well give it a taste test. See what it's like. Whoa, come on. Oh, beauty. There you go, passion fruit. Mango, nice and steady. Skin your mango. We want the flesh. Okay. Nice and straightforward. Under there, we want the flesh. Okay, and for everybody that's never had the opportunity to cut into a fresh mango, inside there's a dirty great big stone, and it's usually long and thin. So if you get your knife, you can feel the stone. It's there, look. So in there. And then you do not waste this. Come on. There's a good mango there. We're coming down the side of the stone there, look. Can you see? Now we waste nothing here, obviously. So there you go. There's your stone. We don't want that. We want mango. And we want it just cubing up roughly as we go. It doesn't matter how you cube it because it's going to be jammed. It's going to be boiled. So hopefully it's going to disintegrate and leave a little bit of texture. So we want that in a bowl. So that's what we're doing. We're cubing fresh mango. We've already got our passion fruit. So we just need enough mango because we're making a mango passion fruit jam. Hey! Now for the recipe I'm doing today, we want about 1 kilo of mango fruit. So there you go, we've got our passion fruit, we've got our mango, we are ready to go. Come on. Okay, grab the pan you're going to use. I'll use this one so you can see what's going on. Before we get going, that is pectin. Okay, we're using pectin, and this is sugar. Now, we want to be mixing some sugar with that pectin. And people say, well, why do you mix the pectin with the sugar? Well, it stops the pectin from clumping up when you actually apply it to the mix. And it does work. So it's very straightforward then. We want our mango. Stop being silly. We want our passion fruit. Lemon juice. We want a flame on. Now you don't have to go crackers with this, just have a nice medium flame, start to build it up, start to get it cooking. So we're getting that up to a nice little simmer. Now we want to be bringing this up to a boil. We're going to go in there with our pectin and sugar mix. Stir that in. In there, a little bit of salt. People are going to say, why salt in jam? Well, salt enhances our taste buds with the sweetness. Now what they say is bring to a rolling boil, and it has to stay on a rolling boil when you stir. It doesn't stop. So this needs a little bit longer, look. See, I'm stirring and it's bubbling in there with our sugar. Now it will dissolve, don't worry. So what we're doing now is we're bringing it back up to the boil, and it's got to boil quite hard for 1 to 2 minutes. And we just give it a stir. Obviously we don't want the sugars and things to catch on the bottom. Starting to come to a boil there, look. We're going to boil that for 1 to 2 minutes. Stirring. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. I have every confidence that this is okay. But I have a plate in the fridge, and I'll take the plate out and we'll do a jam test. We'll put a little bit of jam on the plate and see. Now it's not been in very long actually, but I think it'll be fine. Let's just put some jam on there. What they say, if it sets up and wrinkles, that's set up enough, look. Okay, that is absolutely fine. Stick this in the fridge, it's going to be rock hard. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Got that sour kick all the way through there with sweetness. It's a beautiful jam. I love it, I really do. You know, this is for one of those specialised jams, you know, but it's not specialised really. It's easy, isn't it? You know, but you know, your M&S's of the world make the jam, sell it for a fortune. So that will do. I've got some sterilised jars there. We need to jar it whilst it's hot. So come on. So have a look round the tops. If you've got a little bit of spillage like I have there, look, you just wipe the top. Get your lid on. Okay, these need to be water bath. We're going to put a trivet in the bottom of a pan, fill it up with water, so the water is above these jars. I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes, then take these out to go cold. And then that jar of jam, or those jars of jam, will be shelf stable for 1 year. Nice and steady, and we might have to top it with more water, look. Okay, you guessed it, when you've had 10 minutes, they come out. Nice and steady. Out they come. Come on we go. Oh, yes, please. On there with some of that wonderful jam. Oh, come on. Oh, that is superb. You know, it's got to be done. That is superb. That is absolutely, you got our mango or passion fruit in there. Oh, that is just wonderful. That is wonderful. That is my favourite jam. You got the mango flavour coming right through there. The sourness of the passion fruit giving it that little bit of a kick. It's not overly sweet. Obviously it's a jam, but it's not overly sweet, and obviously on hot buttered toast, it's absolutely sensational. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make jam. To make this mango and passion fruit jam is so easy. It really is so easy. There you go. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. And we'll catch you in the next video.